Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Students, today our topic is CPEC. What is CPEC? That is a China Park Economic Corridor. CPEC के मिशन और विजन वो क्या है? To improve the lives of the people of Pakistan and China by building an economic corridor promoting bilateral connectivity, construction, explore potential bilateral investment, economic and trade, logistic and people to people contact for regional connectivity. It include integrated transport and IT system including roads infrastructure इसके अंदर include होगा, railways होगा, गवादर पोर्ट सच एज गवादर पोर्ट, एयर जो कि बाय एयर जो हमारे उसमें ट्रांजैक्शंस होंगे वो उसके अंदर इंक्लूड हैं, एंड डाटा कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स. सेकंड इसके अंदर जो विजन एंड मिशन में है दैट इज़ एनर्जी कॉपरेशन के हाउ पाकिस्तान एंड चाइना विल कोऑपरेट फॉर एनर्जी टू ओवरकम द एनर्जी क्राइसिस. थर्ड वन इज़ एग्रीकल्चरल डेवलपमेंट के एग्रीकल्चरल बिकॉज वी नो in 1978 because there is a agricultural reform in China, so that was very important because after 1978 their agricultural productivity that enhances, so that is why agricultural development is also considered as a vision and mission of CPEC. The next is socio-economic development. That socio-economic development, how it will works, it will also cover the poverty alleviations, means the people who are living under the poverty line that will be occur. The next one is medical treatment. There will be an exchange of medical treatments between these countries, so both countries will get the benefit, especially China. The next one is education, because we know because in China, and the next one is water supply. As we know, there are several problems in Pakistan and especially in Karachi city, so the water supply problems can also be solved. The next one is vocational training. Okay, so here is a vision and mission of CPEC that also include cooperation in livelihood areas, financial cooperation, human resource development. We know that there are two types in the human resource development. The first one is human capital and the second one is labor force. We know human capital that includes human capital that is a part of labor force. Labor force included the people the age from 16 to 64, so that is why between this age the people, even he is a sick, he is a disabled, women or any kind of people, that will be a part of labor force. So human capital एक्चुअल में अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा कि ह्यूमन कैपिटल में वो लोग आ जाएंगे, लेबर फोर्स का वो हिस्सा आ जाएगा जिनके पास एजुकेशन है, या एजुकेशन है, किसी के पास स्किल्स हैं, एक्सपीरियंसेस है, सो दैट विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट के दिस इज अ विजन ऑफ CPEC के, जिससे क्या होगा कि लोगों का जो है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मीन्स उनमें स्किल्स जो हैं वो पहले से प्रमोट कर जाएंगी. Here we are going to discuss the significance and potential of CPEC. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has significance for the development of the region. Potential areas of cooperation development includes regional connectivity. Regional connectivity further includes transport infrastructure, because after the development of railways, air, and also the development of the railway, the transport infrastructure that will be developed. Energy hub and flows. Energy hubs, what is energy hub? Because we know there are several problems and there is a energy crisis in Pakistan. So this is a vision of CPEC, that energy crisis will also be cared by the CPEC. Logistic hubs, trade and commerce, peace and development of region, connectivity of citizens. So citizens, that will, there will be a interaction between the people of Pakistan and China, diverse investment opportunities, industrial cooperation, financial cooperation, agricultural cooperation, and socio-economic development. Now one by one we can discuss the advantages of CPEC. The first one is boost for Pakistan economy. Actually, firstly, Pakistan China economic corridor will boost the economy of Pakistan. Pakistan is under heavy debt. A report released by the think tank of South Asian investors says that the multi-billion-dollar project is expected to boost the Pakistan's economy by how much rate? That is a 7.5% GDP growth rate. That is जो कि अभी जो हमारे पास जो GDP है वो कितना है 3.4%, और ये कब तक एक्सपेक्टेड है? From 2015 to 2013. The second advantage of CPEC is the counter of energy crisis. As we discussed before, that there is a energy crisis in Pakistan. As we know, there is a production of electricity in Pakistan, that the capacity is 23,234 megawatt, and the shortfall exists between 5,000 to 6,000 megawatt. So by the CPEC, Secretary of Water and Power Muhammad Yunus said that under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project, the Chinese companies will invest 35 billion in power projects. So after that there will be a जो कि प्रोडक्शन जो है वो पॉसिबल हो सकेगी, दैट इज़ 12,000 मेगावाट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. सो इससे क्या होगा कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो अभी एनर्जी क्राइसिस एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है वो इससे एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा.